Hi. If you've ever thought about trying meditation but didn't know where to start or felt like it's too complicated, this might be exactly what you need. The ebook Beginner's Guide to Mindful Meditation is designed to make everything simple and accessible, especially if you're completely new to the idea of mindfulness. Instead of confusing concepts or spiritual jargon, this guide breaks meditation down into clear, practical steps. It focuses on helping you build calm, clarity, and emotional balance through easy techniques you can actually use in daily life. Inside, you'll learn how to start a basic meditation routine, how to focus your attention, and how to deal with distractions, which is something most beginners struggle with. The goal isn't to be perfect, but to create a simple habit that helps you slow down and reconnect with the present moment. What makes this especially useful is how beginner friendly it is. You don't need experience, special tools, or a lot of time. Even a few minutes a day can make a difference when done consistently. The ebook also emphasizes real life application. It's not just about sitting quietly, it's about bringing mindfulness into your everyday routine, whether you're working, resting, or handling stress. Over time, this kind of practice can help you feel more grounded, reduce mental noise, and improve your overall sense of balance. And since it's a digital download, you can access it instantly and start exploring the techniques right away at your own pace. If you're looking for a simple and realistic way to begin meditation without feeling overwhelmed, this is definitely worth checking out. You'll find Beginner's Guide to Mindful Meditation in the description. Take a look and see if it fits your routine.